Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to walk you through how to put music on your Snapchat story. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump in. I'm on Snapchat right now. If I wanted to add to my story, I just click the down arrow at the top left hand corner, and I can go ahead and record a story by just holding down on the camera button in the middle. It's the story I want. Now to add music, it's super simple. All you have to do is on the right hand side, you're going to see a lot of little icons, and you just click on the music note icon. And here it brings up a bunch of different options. These are the featured songs you can scroll through and find. And then you can just play them if you want to hear what it sounds like. And push stop. There's moods for different, moods that you're trying to go for. You can look through. And then there's also the option to record your own sound. If you wanted to do that, you just click on create your own sound and then click on that record button. And you can record your own sound for yourself if you wanted to add a specific song or something like that. If we go back, I'm just going to add, a featured song. Let's do All I Need. Once you click on it, it's going to put it onto your story. All you have to do is, find the spot of the song you want. And you can do that by just holding down on the song down here at the bottom. And you can just scroll to the right or to the left to find this part of the song that you want. And then once you found the part of the song, you just push that arrow to the right, and here's your song. Now you can move this around so it's not in the middle of your page. You can make it smaller by just, shrinking it with your fingers, and then you can move it off to the side if you want. And that's all you have to do, and then you just push send to story. If you guys have any questions on this, let us know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.